My video guide is about getting rid of these scary alerts that come from the site Swooflia.xyz. Swooflia.xyz. So some people may pretty suddenly see these scary pop-ups claiming that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. These pop-ups by Swooflia.xyz are the example of the typical online scam. These scary alerts try to make you start interacting with these pop-ups in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it might look as if these pop-ups are trying to help you, but in reality, they are not related to any decent security program. They might use the logos and the names of some decent security applications, but they are not related to them. And if you start downloading anything that they suggest, you may be forced and brought to some other shady websites. So please be very careful, don't ever interact with these fake alerts and do not trust anything that they suggest. What we recommend you to do is to just leave this page and to ignore its misleading content. On the other hand, the reason why these pop-ups come up in your screen is possibly because your computer is contaminated by some hidden adware. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your computer, so if you find any suspicious programs on the list, get rid of them. Also, don't neglect checking the list of your available browser extensions. If you find any suspicious extensions here, delete them. To make sure that your system is free of any other concealed infections, we do recommend researching it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.